Hi everyone! Today we will learn how to make fabulous photo renders in Lumion. First, we must arrange a 3D model before beginning the rendering process. This first step will allow you to work easier. What do we need in a 3D file for a render? It needs to be fully material. Next, remove all trees model and delete all unnecessary elements. Finally, save the 3D model into many separate files. Our SketchUp 3D model needs some editing. I will hide every tree from 3D model because we'll use Lumion's tree instead. This 3D model is available for download in the description below so that you can together practice during the lesson. Divide your model into groups based on their type so that you can select it easier. For example, furniture. Some parts of this model are missing material. I'll prepare the material for the window frame, and other internal partitions. One quick tip for SketchUp users using the hide tool to speed up the process. I'm going to hide all of the window component. The window frame is then grouped. Unhide all. Now you can quickly select the window element. Material from SketchUp files will be applied to Lumion's accordingly. Before importing to Lumion's, we must check for any missing material. One second for my promotion. I offer one SketchUp online course that will teach you all you need to know to operate efficiently with this program. This course teaches you how to do it better and quicker than ever. There will be a special offer for you who sign up for this Lumion's class. That is for the advertisement. Stay tuned. save as the 3D model into many separate files. For example, architectures or building, facade, furniture, and green walls. Great! Now we have a perfect 3D model for render. In the next section, I will show you how to import this 3D file into Lumion.